Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. BRS Bank Reconciliation Statement. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Day 79 class. Today we are going to discuss about our first sum of BRS. This is our first sum. Passbook of a trader shows a balance of rupees 12,600. On comparing the passbook with the cash book, the following discrepancies were noted. So here it is given the passbook balance. So this is a rough pro forma for cash book and this is a rough pro forma for the passbook. So passbook balance is a credit balance. Passbook balance is credit balance. Cash book balance is debit balance. Why passbook balance is a credit balance? Because we has a balance in the passbook, then it is a asset for us and liability for the bank. So liability in credit side. So we have to enter the total in the credit side. Why we are using minus? Why we are using plus? We already discussed in the previous class. Minus means this amount is not tallied. There is a difference between the passbook and cash book. So that's why we are preparing the BRS. So this is not a correct total. Right? So we have to enter minus symbol here and the opposite side of minus it is plus. Both book symbols are same. Both the book symbols should be same. Debit plus, credit minus. Here also debit plus, credit minus. These symbols will depend on the balance which is given in the illustration. If it is a cash book balance, debit balance. So we have to write minus symbol in debit side. If it is a passbook balance, it is a credit balance. Then we have to write the minus in the credit side. Check deposited in bank but not collected 2,100. We has deposited this check in the bank. So we have to write it in cash book but not collected. This collected amount should be written in the passbook but the amount does not collected, but we will write in the cash book check deposited in bank. We don't know up to the end of the month the check is collected or not. So the check is deposited in bank will enter in the debit side of the cash book. So this is a 2,100 debit side of the cash book. And next one, check issued but not presented for payment 1,800. So we has given a check for a person. So we has given the check. The check is outflow from us. So that we have to enter it in the credit side of the cash book 1,800. We given the check, we issued the check, but the person does not presented it for payment. There are so many causes. The forgotten check or whatever it may be. So that we have to enter in the credit side of the cash book. According to the cash book, debit what we collect, credit what we pay. It's a simple thing that cash book what we has collected, a check or a money or whatever what we collected we have to debit in the cash book, and what we has paid we have to enter it in the cash book. In the same way, passbook is opposite for the cash book. That means debit what we has paid. We have to debit what we has paid. What we paid is debit in the passbook. What we collect, credit in the passbook. What we pay is debited, and what we collect is credited in the passbook. So bank charges means we have to pay the charge. So it is debit side of the passbook. And next, bank premium. Bank paid insurance premium. The things whatever we paid through bank is always in debit side, 1500. And next, the debtor directly paid to the bank. So it is asset for us. What we have collect, this is collected money. Some debtor paid the amount directly through the bank. Right? So it is credit side of the passbook. So now this is a pro forma for the BRS. Particulars, amount, inner column and outer column. The main heading is bank reconciliation statement. Particulars, amount, inner column and outer column. Balance as per passbook. So here it is given the passbook balance 12,600. We have to enter it in the outer column. And next, add. So here first we have to enter all the entries which has plus symbols. So 2,100, 175 and 1,500. These three entries we have to enter here. Check deposited but not collected. We have to enter it in the inner column 2,100. And next, bank charges. Bank charges debited in passbook 175. And next, bank paid insurance premium. Insurance premium paid by bank 1,500. So we have to make total for these three. 2,100 plus 175 plus 1,500 and the total is 3,775. Right? We have to make total 12,600 plus 3,775. That is 16,375. And next. And next, we have to enter the minus symbols entries. So now we have to write it less. 1,800 and 1,200 entries are there in minus symbol. Checks issued but not presented for payment. Checks issued but not presented for payment 1,800. And next one, the debtor directly paid into the bank 1,200. Direct payment into bank by a debtor 1,200. So these are the entries. 1,800 plus 1,200. Total is 3,000. Now 16,375 minus 3,000 and the total is 13,375. So this is the amount bank balance as per cash book. So we has the balance as per cash book. So this is our first sum of BRS. It contains a small logic. If we clear about this rough work, it's very easy to enter this sum. Hi friends, thank you for watching my videos. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment it in the comment box. Thank you for watching my videos.